All right, so now we're gonna add in some racing turtles because it'd be really boring if the turtles did the same thing every time and the same ones moved. So we're gonna make the turtles move at a random number of steps for each turn. And then the winner is the turtle that gets the furthest in 100 turns. So when you have commands like forward 20, that's going to be using for a single turtle, but we're going to create more turtles. So we're going to add some code to the end of our script, and we're going to make sure it's not indented. That way, so I'm going to hit enter after that forward 20, but I need to backspace so it's not indented anymore. I'm going to hit enter again. I like to space out my code. And now I'm going to add my first line that creates a turtle. My first turtle is going to be called Ada. Then my next lines are going to add the color and shape of the turtle so that it really looks like one. So I'm going to do Ada space equals space. Capital T for turtle is going to make a difference, so make that capital. Parentheses. After those parentheses, I'm going to hit enter. Then Ada dot color, parentheses. Now I'm going to do an apostrophe, not the doubles where it's quotation marks, but apostrophes, which is shift and then the button next to the enter button. In between those apostrophes, I'm going to type red. So that's going to be the color of my turtle that's named Ada. At the end of that parenthesis, I'm going to hit enter. Now I need to do Ada dot shape because this is going to make the shape for my turtle. So now I'm going to do parentheses, apostrophe, and then the word turtle. That one is lowercase t. Then when I click play, once my lines draw really fast, I have a red turtle. That's my red turtle named Ada. She's not starting though at the beginning of the line yet. That's because I need to hit enter, enter again, and now I need to make my pen go up and down to where it's going to draw Ada at certain coordinates. So I'm going to do Ada.pen up, parentheses, enter, Ada.go to, parentheses, -160, comma, 100. Those are my coordinates for where it's going to set Ada at. Enter. Now it's going to be Ada dot down, parentheses. And at this point, once my lines draw fast, Ada should start up by my 0. The next important thing is to make the turtle race by moving a random number of steps at a time. So I'm going to add random function into, like, from the Python random library. It's going to go to the top of my script though. So where it says from turtle import on line 3, I'm going to hit enter. And now I need to import and add in the randint library. So I'm going to type from space random space import space randint. That's the name for it because then it's going to go to a random amount. Now I'm going to go down after my pen down for Ada and hit enter. Enter again. I like to space it out. And I'm going to add in the function. So for space turn space in range 100 because that's the number of steps I want it to randomly go through. Then I'm going to do a colon. Enter. It indents on purpose because this is a part of the function. I want Ada dot forward parentheses randint. So this is pulling in that random function. Another parenthesis 1 comma space 5. And then when I click play, it should send her, Miss Ada, all the way across. Didn't. I must have something wrong in my code. Okay, Ada.forward randint. Spelling's very important in the coding life. Then I click play. It'll draw my lines and she should go across.